How to assemble PHILODO P7 e-bike. Remove the staples and open the box. Turn the stem to the front. Remove the faceplate of the stem. Before inserting the handlebar, please note that the cables should run clearly from the handlebar. They should not be twisted. Reattach the faceplate, then tighten the 4 screws. There are 2 springs, a lever and a nut on the quick-release skewer. Take the nut and 1 spring off. Insert the skewer from the disc side. Attach the spring followed by the nut from other side. The larger sides of the spring are on the outside ends of the skewer. Tighten the nut on the skewer but don't close the lever. Remember not to unscrew any nuts on the hub of front wheel. Lift the bike, then insert the disc into the middle of the caliper. Keep the front wheel in the middle of the front fork. Tighten the lever and close it. The lever might leave an imprint on your palm. Align the handlebar with the front wheel. Tighten the 2 screws on the stem. Identify the left and right markings on the pedals. Install the pedals in their respective side. Tighten the pedal clockwise by the wrench. Install the left pedal by hand as install the right one. Tighten it counterclockwise by a wrench. Open the quick-release lever. Insert the seat post into the seat tube. Adjust the height of the seat. Close the quick-release lever by your palm or finger. Place the headlight at the right position, then tighten the bolt and nut. The headlight can be adjusted up and down to change the illumination angle. Place the fender at the right position, then tighten the bolt and nut. Insert the key into the key port. Open the battery lock. Carefully slide the battery upwards and lift it off the frame. While installing the battery, sliding the battery into the frame mount receptacle. Close the battery and remove the key. If the lock isn't closed or the key can't be removed, the battery has not been properly installed, and you might not be able to turn on the display for this reason. So make sure the battery is properly installed. Keep the 2 keys carefully, don't miss them. Check whether the bike is installed correctly.